All right, good morning, everybody. Happy New Year. First stream of 2025. Let's go. Let's make today a great day. Anyways, what are we looking at here? Also, a side note, no camera today. We've got a lot of stuff going on in the background, so just gonna keep the camera off for today. I'll probably turn it on if things kind of slow down. But let's look at what we got. I actually traded some pre-market, not on this account, with another account, and managed to make about $1,000 there. So let's see, we opened up here 5 o'clock, have a gap that we filled overnight, but I don't know if they want to actually fill it in the New York session. So ranging between these two pivot points right now at 445 and 313. So where might we be headed? Have a low down here back on like the 21st, 20th at 21,000 on the dot. So all we got to do is be patient and just go with the flow of things. No need to force anything. Try not to force anything. That's what we are at. I might step away for a bit. I will be watching the chat, so if you have any questions, just put it in the chat. But I got, like I said, a lot of stuff going on in the background, so I'm not going to be able to have my camera on, at least for this stream today. All right, still selling down for the pre-market session. Have the pivot point at 314, so I wonder if the market wants to open up and we come down here, bounce off the pivot point, or we sell and we continue. I can't speak this morning. Continue selling down to this pivot point down here. Basically 21,100. Let's look at what we are seeing on the daily chart here as well. I mean, obviously we're now in a bear trend. So are we gonna try to attack all-time highs? Or is the market gonna give itself some relief, come back down, keep coming down, and then we bounce back up? But the pre-market had quite a bit of volatility too, I won't lie. I mean, these are some really good moves for pre-market. Hey Dominic, morning. Yes sir. Happy New Year 2025. It's gonna be a good time. Let's make the best of it. Let's make sure, all right, everything here is set correctly. Don't want to screw myself up by not having my stop losses and take profit. Also, heads up, like I said, I have a lot of stuff on the side that I'm doing. That's why my camera's off. So, and if I don't respond to your message, I'm not ignoring you. I just have to focus on other things. Oh, heck yeah, dude. 180 on the day? Solid. Yeah, I mean, pre-market, we had quite a bit of volatility. I won't lie, I did take some trades in my other account as well. One other prop firm that I trade with. And I'm up 1,000 on that one. Just close that out. So I'm just going to focus on my Apex today. On this one, it's only account. So just going to focus on this. If I get a winner right at the gate, then I'm probably killing this stream pretty early. But we'll see what we got. It's a good idea, Dominic, going in with lower size. Oh, nice. 52,240? Heck yeah. Lock it down, man. No need to rush, too. So, I mean, you got the whole 8 days to trade. Don't be like me and try to rush it and then end up blowing your account. I didn't blow the mine, right? But I've done it in the past. But that's what I'm referring to. In case you're just wondering. Today will be my 6th day. They have their sale going on. It's in it today, but I'm not gonna get any more Apex accounts. I'm done with them. I mean, I'm gonna move on, and I'm just gonna keep trading this one until, I don't know. I don't want to say that I'm gonna blow it, but whatever happens, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you, Dominic. I think I don't even know at that point what their flipping rule is, because the past 2 payouts that I've gotten denied on, I flipped them, and like everything else was perfect. Like if you watch my last video, like I was trading perfectly for the 5 days, but I think they docked me for their flipping. So I would, to be honest with you, I don't know what that rule is. So I would just trade normally as you do. Just, it's not financial advice what I'm telling you, but in my opinion, just trade like you normally do. Don't take any big losers, right? Just trade normally. Don't put yourself in a hole that you don't want to dig yourself back out of. And yeah, I would just trade like you normally do. At this point, I don't even know what the rules are, to be honest. So today's my 6th day, and I'm not gonna flip. I'm just gonna trade like I normally do. But I think if I take a loss, we'll just have to kind of play by ear. But yeah, I would not recommend flipping. Not at this point. Yo, yo. Did you, Emmanuel? Is that, are you Tayuso? Did you change a picture? Oh, hey, heck yeah. Solid, Emmanuel. Oh, Ty. Sorry. We are doing solid. I was telling Dominic, I made some money on my other account. I made $1,000. It's a funded account. So in the pre-market with another prop firm, and I'm just trading this one now. So we're doing good. Happy New Year. First stream of the year. So no camera on today, unfortunately. I've got a lot of stuff going on in the background, so I'm just going to have my camera off, at least for today. Maybe if I have some time to kind of breathe, I'll turn it on, but for right now, I got too much going on. So I'm gonna chill with the cameras off and just kind of trade and hopefully log in a trade or something. Anyways, we're 3 minutes away from the open. Let's make today a great day. Have a good first day of the new year. You know, I think the last thing that we'd want is at least what I want is a red day. Plus this account is close to securing a payout too, so I'm not gonna do anything stupid. At least try not to. But right now, just selling at the market open. Not market open, sorry, we're still in pre-market, but we're getting close to the market open and we're just selling. That's what I meant to say. In this downtrend, so I don't know. The first of the years, I guess the first couple of months are kind of weird. Because I'm thinking, are we still gonna have a rally? But New Year's, you know, Christmas is over and everything, so gonna be interesting. Also, if I don't respond to you guys right away, I'm not purposely ignoring you. I just got a lot of stuff in the background, so just giving you guys a heads up. I'm here. Just might be a little bit busy. All right, we are 40 seconds away from the open. I wonder if we're gonna get a lot of volatility for this open, because the pre-market had some good moves. I'm not lying, like, not kidding you. Had some pretty solid moves. I can't complain. It's too good to pass out on. Yep, got 10 seconds left. Also, I do have a delay on my stream as well, so I think it's like a 5-second delay. Just giving everybody heads up. We are now officially open, but just a heads up. This stream is solely for entertainment only. It is not financial advice. Everything that I do is just my opinion on here, so trade at your own risk. Boom. Gotta make sure y'all know that. What are we looking at here? We are just selling. I'm gonna take a peek over at ES. Let's see what our friend ES is doing. ES is actually wicking, so it looks like we might have an opportunity just to get in short. See if we can take this quick bounce. Get a quick bounce for just some quick profits here. Not really looking to do too much. Oh, there we go. Boom. Just like that, y'all. We took $593 on that trade, $600. Just kind of took that. We had a wig, so I looked over at ES as well. ES was wicking first, so I was like, you know what, if it's gonna bounce, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it. Oh, look at that. You couldn't have played that any better. Literally stops, hits my take profit, and then it dumps back down. So the bulls are a little bit there, but oh, nice. You have a company, Dominic? What is it? Is it like trading? And also, yeah, just gotta take that winner. It is too. Sometimes I this is why I try to like, today's different, right? The past couple of streams, obviously you guys have seen me kind of coming late, so sometimes at the open, like if I sometimes can't control myself, but heck yeah, I mean, 14 seconds, 2 contracts, everything is perfect again as usual. I'm not flipping, I'm just gonna trade like I normally do. I better not get docked out again. Oh, okay, social stream, okay, nice. Oh, I read it wrong. I read it as, but I just use it for my company. But you didn't say my, you just said for company. I get you, sorry. Yeah, I'm kind of the same way, I never thought that I would watch anybody else stream too, but honestly, it does get boring sometimes. I'm like, you know what? I need some entertainment, so I'll just log into some other people's streams and just kind of watch them trade. Never to really, I mean, I know, but like not to hate or anything, because I mean, I'm like, if you're putting yourself out there in stream, I don't care who you are. Like, I can hate you, but it takes some balls, it takes some guts to put yourself out there to stream. It's not easy streaming and trading at the same time too. It's like the pressure is definitely there to perform. Oh my goodness, what the freak? Oh my goodness, look at that. Got lucky there. Hit me out. Glad I did that. Took that. Good lord. So obviously now we're selling out. So does the market want to come down to this pivot point? That's a pretty huge drop, but it's Nasdaq, so anything goes. Yeah, I sometimes like pop into the chat for some of these other traders, and like everybody has their own opinion, right? Which I'm like, it's cool. Like I'm not against you having your opinion trading, but like please, don't try to teach someone how to trade. Just let them do their own thing. Well, it looks like we're dumping again, Dominic. What the heck is going on? No. I just screwed up on something else. Hey, I mean, if you're making money, you're making money, I sometimes like it's so the feeling of wanting more is so real. It's like, oh, what the heck is the market? What is going on? Holy cow. Anyways, yeah, like the feeling of like, oh man, I could have gotten more, could have gotten more. I feel like I know exactly how you're feeling, but dude, if you made money, take it, you know? Especially like if you're trading with Apex, like there's really no need to go for the big runs, but I definitely feel you. It's so hard too, like to control yourself, like to see profits go, or you take a trade and you take profit early, but it just keeps going your way. You're like, man, like that feeling definitely sucks. Are you trading? I think you're trading with micros, right, Dominic? I remember. Nice. Also, just be sure you're consistent with your sizing as well. I think Apex will dock you too if you like go from like keep switching contracts like micros and minis too. So just be aware of that. I don't know if they actually will, but I think that's one of the rules. So just be very consistent with what you're trading with your contracts. But I mean, I don't know. Apex will do what Apex does. But even if you do get denied, I mean, I don't like no, who likes to get denied, right? But if you do get denied, just trade like you normally do with your profit. But I mean, I'm kind of golden for today, dude. One trade right out the gate. We're up 593. Looks like crypto is kind of pumping as well. I don't know if you guys are keeping up with that. I have some skin in Doge. That's about it. But Doge to the moon, right? I just need to load up some more. What a sell though, right? Holy, this is nasty. Oh my goodness. But now that this is so bad, I think the market's going to continue. I don't see why it would just reverse here. This is not financial advice, but I would probably be looking for shorts. See, get some sort of like bear flag going and take a short because I think the market's probably one of this pivot point down here. My VWAP's not popping up today, unfortunately, but it is what it is. That's pretty funny, Dominic. Exactly. We're a bunch of. I'm a DGen too. Yeah, crypto's kind of. It's weird. I mean, kind of crazy. Bitcoin. I mean, I was like young kid, so I never even got the chance to go into it. But it's a whole nother game. I see a lot of people. I mean, I think you can make money with it, but I actually terrible story. I'm like this is the typical crypto story. I actually had like quite a bit of Doge, and whenever this is a couple years back, whenever Doge hit an all-time high first at like 50 cents or something, I was up $4,000 and I didn't sell, and I ended up selling for like $1,000. I'm like, oh, that was painful. And now it's pumping again. I was like, dude, why am I such a moron? But it is what it is, type of thing. Look at this, market's just continuing to sell. Insane. Definitely that long, dude. Oh, I caught it just the right time. Saw some weakness. I was like, I'm gonna get in very quick. Probably could have squeezed out another 20 points or so, but I mean, I'm not really interested in taking it. So current balance right now is at 58,393, so 8,000 basically. This is it's good. So today would be my 6th day. Just gotta trade for 2 more days, and again, like I'm not really interested in buying any more Apex accounts. Like I said, I'm moving on from them, but just keeping this account because I have. It's stupid of me just to blow this account, just to blow it. It doesn't make sense, right? I have cushion in there. I'm just gonna keep trading it until something, whatever happens to it. Oh, yeah, like the okay, yeah. I know what you're talking about, the meme coins. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, those are definitely getting wow, what am I saying? Rug pulled. I mean, the whole thing that happened with the hot tour girl or whatever. I mean, I wouldn't say she scammed people. I think if you're sorry, I got distracted. But anyways, if you invest into that, you're a complete moron and you deserve anything that happens to you. Like maybe that's rude. Like it's, I'm an asshole for saying that, but I, it just everything of it was like if you invest into meme coin, it just was reeking of like rug pull. And the only reason why I think a lot of traders got mad was because they didn't get the chance to rug pull. So it's like use your brain. Seriously, just use your brain a little bit. If you're gonna invest, at least invest in something that has like liquidity and it's been known to be there, like crypto, right? Like Bitcoin and stuff, Ethereum. But that's just my 2 cents on it. Maybe I'm rude. Maybe I'm just a douchebag for saying that, but that's my take on it. Anyways, all right. What are we looking at here? Looks like the bear flag is starting to form. So they might try to take this pivot point down here or these lows. I just, do we have news? I didn't look at that, but I think the only way, if we do have news, it's going to be coming up here in 30 seconds. But if we are going to be reversing up, the market probably wants to do like the full-on V shape up here. But I don't know. I just don't feel like that's going to happen. I mean, a big sell at the open, probably not a smart idea to go long. Even though I took it long, but right here. Heck yeah, dude, 357. Let's go, Dominic. I mean, I'm taking my 593. I'm taking that. I'm not taking any more. I don't need any more. At least for today. Yeah. Dude, I mean, it's just my opinion. Oh, 730? Okay, nice. Yeah, I mean, if you're up, dude, 357, that's pretty solid. Just take it. You know, my opinion is just take it. Enjoy your day. You know, it's the first day of 2025, the first trading day. So it's like, dude, enjoy like, take it, just soak in it. Take your first green day of the year and come back tomorrow even stronger. At least that's my 2 cents. Now, that's just my opinion. Obviously, you do what you want, but that's what I'm doing too. Plus, I have good cushion, so I have no reason to go back in, to be honest. One trade, one shot, one kill. Ooh. This market's coming back up pretty heavy. Yeah. That's like there's and the flipping thing too. Like I wouldn't even playback still find any reason to deny you. So it's like just trade as perfect as you can get, and just trade the whole 8 days. So I mean that should bring your balance up to like 25, 24, right? So I mean you're like right there, right? So no need to rush it. Don't put yourself in a position where you have to dig yourself out. Oh. Solid, man. Should be. I mean, if you do that again for 2 days in a row, Dominic, for the next 2 days, I mean, you're golden, dude. Yeah. So it's like it's. I'm not gonna say it's easy, but I mean, you got it. It's right there. Dang, is this market really gonna reverse here? That'd be wild. If it does reverse here, though, I'm kind of interested to see if we have like a different shift to like market structure, not structure, but like the way the market moves. Because sometimes like throughout the year, it'll move one way at the open. I've noticed from like 8:30 to 8:45 my time. So the first 15 minutes it goes one way, and then I would say 30 minutes or so. So around like 9 o'clock is where it reverses. But I don't know if it's gonna happen here. What a recovery! Oh, what? So maybe they won't be going to that pivot point. That is insane. 73. So we're looking at 100 points, over 100 plus points. Goodness. Ain't not even a. There's one nasty pullback. It's going to continue lower. 100 points? I mean, this is money right here that I can't capitalize on. But I'm okay. You know what? I'm trying to reframe my mindset to just. I mean, obviously, if the day's there, if the opportunity is there for me to grab as much as I can, I'm going to take the whole pie. But trying to just gravitate more towards being okay with taking like just a piece of the pie, a little bit here and there, instead of trying to hit home runs every trade. It's a lot easier said than done, I'll be honest, but trying to get my mindset, that's the mindset going in for 2025, and just stack up the winners. Longs. 1 minute is pretty nasty, dude. Pretty danky. I have it pulled up here, but look at that. What the heck is this? Like on the 3-minute chart, we're just green, 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 green. Shorts are definitely getting squeezed out. So I wonder if we've shifted to the point where the market is reversing now at around like 9, because my time it's like 8:52-ish because I'm in Central. So I'm not trading the Eastern time or the New York time because I live in the States, but 9 o'clock. So are we now moving towards those conditions? Damn it. Oh. Like if you wanted to, if I would have, one thing's for sure, I think if I would have gotten taken out, I would have just revenge traded and went long. Pray for the best. News. Dang, 4 p.m. over there. I guess it's kind of good. That's kind of, I've never really like thought about it too. Like, well, I have a little bit in the past. Like, so it opens up at, if it's 4 p.m. over there. So does it open at like 3:30 for you, your time? Oh, dang. Wow. Kind of wild. Look at this market. Look at that, Dominic. I was talking about it. If it's gonna, reverse, it's gonna do a V shape. Look at what it's doing. What the heck is this? What is this freaking atrocity? That's nice, dude. Trading afternoon. I've done that a couple of times on my end, but like I usually do it during Asia. That's nice. You get New York open at the night, so get to enjoy your mornings. That's definitely nice. I'll be honest. I don't actually trade ICT. I mean, I'm in the space, so I'm not gonna say I don't know of it, but I don't. I have nothing against it, but like, I just keep my trading really simple, to be honest. Do a bit of like supply and demand, but just really overall looking at market structure, where we're headed, and then if there's a pullback, just basically pullbacks and enter. That's what I do. Yeah. I mean, if it makes your trading better, dude, then all for it. I have nothing against it. And I feel like there's really obviously, you know, there's no right way to trade, right? Supply and demand works. I see, like, it's like at the end of the day, it just boils down to you as the trader, right? Everybody's different, but the best example is just like, you know, I'm pretty sure you've heard it of, you can take two people and teach them the same thing, but one of them is going to be profitable and one of them is not. It's just really you, like, as a trader, your mindset. But overall, I just like to see strength. At least the way I trade, I trade really simple. Like, I know I have like this EMA and these pivot points, but realistically, I just look at where the market's going. Honestly, I could trade naked if I wanted to, but I've just had these for so long now, so I'm just gonna keep it. Nice, 10 points. So you added another, give or take, $200. So you have five something for the day. How about you're kicking my ass, Dominic? I just have 593 over here, but I wasn't really I think if I would have taken one loss, I would have just called it, to be honest. Maybe. But that obviously it's hindsight, but kind of happy that I was able to get that trade, because now I can just kind of chill for the rest of the day. I have a lot going on too, so I won't be able to stream. I mean, I don't normally stream tomorrow anyway, but tomorrow I'm just gonna be trading offline. I won't be able to stream, unfortunately. Oop. $539, solid. You're gonna call it there, Dominic, or you're gonna take some more trades? Did she? Oh, she did take them. Yeah, completely agreed. All right, love it, Dominic. That's awesome, dude. Take your money and kind of just chill in the street. But yeah, dude, you know, strategies, I agree with it. And one thing that I don't like about the community for trading is like a lot of traders are just like so focused on being right. Like, I've noticed it, and I'm not gonna say I haven't been the guy before, but I've been the guy before too, where I was like, oh, like, you should have done this, done that. But it's like, what really matters is just making money, right? Your strategy, my strategy. Well, I can't speak. My strategy doesn't have to be perfect at all either. 26. So yeah, if you just log in another 500, so you split it 2 days, 250 per day, which, I mean, you've been doing pretty good. Past couple of streams, I think you've been making like 300, 400. So like, you're solid. Yep. The beginner traders always want to call out trades and they just want to be right. And it's like, sometimes they're just so focused on being right that they would rather be wrong, lose money, and be right if a trade, if that makes sense. They would rather lose money and be right than be wrong, right? and like not take a whatever. But at the end of the day, it's just about making money. My win-loss ratio is not the best either. To be honest, I probably have like a 50% chance of winning, but I just try to make sure that my winners overtake my losers. Basically like a 1 to 2, risk 1 to make 2, double what I risk. Anyways, now that we just full on reversed up, I mean, I was looking bearish, but I mean, with this kind of move, probably be looking at a bull flag or something and then break out. That's just crazy that this rallied up. I mean, 200 points, literally more than 200 points back up. So if you sold, held that, boom, 100 points, 300 points total. That's awesome. I mean, we are overall still in the bearish, but nice. Yeah, some people get so caught up in like one trading system. I mean, it's not bad. It's good that, you know, if you're focused on one style of trading, but it's like there are so many ways out there to try to make money. And I remember just being so caught up, like obviously few months ago, like, well, I guess a couple years, whatever. Like I was so just hell bent on like, oh, supply and demand. But it's like, what really, like, I just remember one weekend I just took time and just back tested all weekend, and then it just gave me a better understanding of price action. Like price action really is probably the best way to go at it. But when it comes to like technical trading and stuff, I think it's better if I had a bot, because technical you can log in algorithms, but with price action you're seeing everything as it goes. Break 60, okay, solid. Like, it looks like I don't know if you would consider that a bull flag. I guess it kind of is, but we're moving up, so this whole move up was just so strong that I think the bulls have taken the space again. Now, with that being said, is it going to keep rallying up? I don't know. I mean, it might come back up to the highs, 80s, and then maybe chop around for a bit. But right now, if I were still trading, I would be long. But this is the beauty about trading, right? And it's like, you have your way of trading and I have my way of trading, but it's cool that, you know, you get traders that come in and obviously have their own ideas about it. So there we go, breaking to the upside. So this pivot point is here, so I think it's going to have a little bit of trouble going into 60. So maybe it wants to come up 60, chop around a little bit more, and then try to aim for 500. I mean, 500 is within sight. It's a lot closer than 21,100. So I think the market probably wants to go to 500 today. We see structure. You're looking at this whole chunk over here, from what I'm seeing. So maybe this is could be an area it goes to today, but overall, you know, let the market do its thing. Just join the flow. Yeah, that's the best way to learn how to trade, dude. Like, there's a lot of sorry, I'm getting distracted. I got some stuff that I just pulled up. But yeah, the best way to trade is just literally look at candles. And I know, like, it's not the best thing to do, but like for me, I'm not the best trader in the world, but I've definitely gotten better than where I was at before. But like you said, right, the best way to get better at trading is just putting in the time to trade. It's like, you can do a lot of back testing, but really the best way to learn how to trade is just being in the market, seeing the live action. Because anybody can trade hindsight, right? That's the thing, is back testing too, is you can, it's so much different when you put emotions on it, which as a trader, anybody says that you shouldn't have emotions is lying. I mean, we are emotional, right? But I think one thing that the best way to get better at trading is just to see the market move in live time and do everything. I mean, don't trade with your capital, but that's one thing that has really helped me. It's just putting in my time in the into the charts. Yeah, that is true. And I think there's no set pattern that it moves, but it's like we all develop, right? You find your edge and you're like, okay, this is the pattern that I look for. Which for me, the patterns I look for is just like this kind of stuff. Where just, I mean, sometimes it doesn't always pan out perfectly, but the way I trade is just like so simple. It's like, it's okay, we have strength to one side, let's just look for consolidation. Obviously, I was telling everybody that, you know, if we had a bearish flag that looking to go short, but that didn't happen. Straight V up. So now that the bulls are here, I think we get some more consolidation and then it heads up. That's just my thesis, not financial advice, but sorry, I'm trying to like do like 3 million things at once. I look at the chart and then I gotta focus on the JOB. Unfortunately, I still gotta work that JOB, so my ass is gonna be up and down, up and down. Yeah, nice. Take your money, Dominic. My opinion, but bro, you're up $500 on the day. That's solid, man. At this point, let's see what the market wants to do. Last 40 minutes. Nice. I want to say though, I was gonna say this before I got distracted, but it's, I don't know if I don't think it's a good habit, but it's like once I'm done trading, I just like to go watch people trading, like do what you're doing now too, right? It's just kind of reading the tape, seeing how price action is moving. Obviously, there's always more to improve on trading, right? And especially sometimes market conditions change, so it's like adjusting to that and then applying your strategies to it. It's one of the biggest things that I'm trying to work on for myself as well. Starting to, looks like the bulls are starting to lose a little bit of steam, so I wonder if, I mean, obviously we're coming to a pivot point, so it's going to be a little bit, we have a lot of I mean, rejection zones, so I mean, I think it's going to be a battle to go up there. But if the bulls want to take care of it, I mean, as long as they don't, I would say realistically, if they don't lose this level down here, like 60, I think they should be fine. 460 highs would be a good target. These wicks though are not the friendliest right now, but I think it's just, it's lost steam obviously, so it's probably going to try to gather some more liquidity, unless it just freaking tanks right here, which if it tanks right here, I mean, I don't even know at that point. That would be even more wild. Yep, agreed. Reading the tape. Just shut down trade evade, trade mode, cut it off too. Holy shit, what is this? Ding. $405. Let's see here. Yeah, you got that little mini bull flag on the 1 minute chart. I think I would have, I probably wouldn't have even gone in long. I know I had the long bias, but I probably would have wanted this to come pull back a little bit deeper, and then I would have missed it. And I'd be complaining right now and be like, oh man, I missed my freaking entry. That's probably what realistic would have happened, but I think I would have loved to get in down here, but there we go. Is it just gonna keep going up? 560. I mean, that's going, even if you don't get 460, Dominic, I mean, if you're getting, shoot, you come up to 40, that's like 35 points. Solid. I'll take that any day. What the freak? Nice. I mean, if you scored 30 points, Dominic, like, dude, that's solid. I don't care what anybody else says. Even if it was like, obviously, you know, you're not catching longs, like, you're still making money. And to me, I'm like, if you're making money, dude, I have no complaints. Because what am I gonna do? Oh, you didn't make money? Like, nah, dude, that's awesome. Yeah, I think bulls have definitely lost steam, so they might want to try to come back down, maybe form the true bull flag, maybe get some more consolidation. So looking at ES is kind of doing the same too. So ES is pulling back, but one thing's for sure, if we're gonna chop today, it might be like the big range chop or something, like 50 points, 100, like maybe 100-point chop or something. Stupid damn fly. There's a freaking fly just flying around me. It's winter. Die off or something. It's pulling back. I think it's setting up for another leg. Another move to the upside. I still like the long bias on this. Now, if it reverses here, it's going to be crazy. But anything could happen, right? Because nobody, I mean, I was not expecting this, right? I know I kind of joked about it being V-shape up, but it really did happen. So if this happened, it could probably happen here again. Looks like we're selling off. So probably want to come back down to this level first. So something like, I'm not going to enter in the market. I'm done trading, right? But kind of doing what you're doing to dominate, kind of getting some more practice. 80, maybe come down to 60 level-ish. Fake out, squeezing some shorts, and then they head back up. Could be something that could happen like that. Yeah, I mean, dude, agreed. Pre-market was pretty wild. Like we were getting really good moves. Oh, here it is. Are the Bears gonna take control again? Or is this just gonna be a squeeze? Either way, I have no skin in the game, so I could care less about where the market goes. But, well, here we go. Oh man. This is what we're gonna be subjected to now. The market's just gonna do this. Have 400-point sell-offs, and then it rallies up, and then it sells back down. This market, I tell you. It's hard to read. I for sure got stopped out too. I would have gotten stopped. Well, I mean, my stop losses are pretty small, so, but I probably wouldn't even have gone in here and probably try getting in long here, and then I would have gotten stopped out. But this market is not friendly right now. Yeah, let me look at 30 minutes too. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, this junk. So this gap, I think it filled it. So this is just nasty. A long wick. And then we sat back down. And then markets being indecisive. We're not getting much movement. No, we are getting a lot of movement, but I mean, we're not getting like any good reads. Nothing at all. Yeah, we're just on down. So it's just one of the markets where you just freaking close your eyes and you're like, all right, I'm gonna sell at the near the top, and I'm gonna sell near the bottom, or buy. Sorry. Yeah, actually, do I have VWAP? Oh, no. Mine's not popping up today. Where's VWAP at? Freaking TradeAway had to move on to where you have to pay to get VWAP. I'm like, hell no, I ain't paying for that. So like periodically, like I still have it saved from like, because I guess I kind of got grandfathered in. I had it before they moved it to where you have to pay for it. So sometimes it appears, sometimes it doesn't. It's hit or miss, but what is it at? Where you? Wait, do you have TradeAway too? Am I just screwed? Channels, don't chain, EMA, utility, base. Huh. Well, maybe I'm just, maybe it's just me then, who knows? It is what it is. I'm not mad. Oh, nice. Yeah, actually, funny enough, Dominic, I started 3 years ago too. So we're kind of the same. In the same boat. But yeah, TradeAway has had its ups and downs though. I remember when it crashed because like their servers crashed. They just had so many people coming to TradeAway and like I was pissed at them too. But I was like, I'm gonna just stick with it just because I can trade on my phone with it. I wish Ninja was a lot easier to trade with your phone, but I mean, it just I just like TradeAway. I can't see myself using another one. I mean, once I do go full time, I could probably look into some other apps, but I mean, TradeAway is so easy to trade on my phone, and I can use the web version. I don't have to download their app. Their app really sucks too, to be honest. Like their web version on their phone is so much better, and I like the way it moves. It's easy and easy to use on the phone. Oh, nice. I probably could pay for VWAP, but I'm kind of a cheapskate if I'm being honest. I'm a cheap mother effer. If I don't need it, if I don't need it, I'm probably not gonna use it. I remember I used to pay for Bookmap. It was so stupid. I don't know if I ever did. That was one time. 2K. It'll be a little bit tough, but for me, with my situation, I kind of have to trade on my phone. I wish I could trade on my computer all day, but to be honest, I've kind of grown to love trading on my phone. Like, I use my computer just because I have to stream, but realistically, like, if I wasn't streaming, I'd just be on my phone, just in and out. Because it's, for me, it's nice, it's convenient, especially if you're traveling. Which, if I'm on vacation, I'm probably not gonna freaking trade on my phone anyway. But like, if I'm like traveling and like I'm gonna be out there for months at a time, yeah, I would definitely use my phone. Oh, an iPad's nice, yeah. I definitely feel it's just sometimes so small and you have to like kind of zoom in to kind of trade. Nice. So 2 screens and an iPad, it's pretty solid. This market's not looking friendly. So now that it's here, what now? I mean, it's probably gonna go back down here. Not financial advice, that's just me thinking out loud. But we're not really getting like much breakthrough, so at this point I've already made my money, so I'm golden. I'm not trying to get back in. 14 seconds. Anyways. Alright, so I guess the market wanted to break my trades into two. I better not get docked for this. Because I went in with 2 contracts, so I guess the market wanted to break my setups. Fill me in one at a time. That's pretty whack. But I have proof that I traded 2 contracts. I entered in 2. 14 seconds. One and done. Boom. Proof is in the pudding. Oh. Did you make money from that, Dominic? Or that's one thing that I sometimes like that I fear the most is like having a running order. Oh. Like I always make sure I get always close out everything. Oh. Yep, that's one thing that sucks is that since they're technically different markets, you have to close them out manually. Oh, I mean, hey, $60 loss, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. It's a lot better than if that were 60 points or what? See, on one micro contract, that would have been a lot of money. Do some quick math. Because it's 1/10 of that, so it's 5. Would that have been $600? What is it, 1.25 per move? Yeah. 48 points, give or take. Hey, at least it was only 60, man. You didn't lose like your whole account. That would have sucked. I would have been so mad at myself for doing that. Probably cry like a little girl too. anyways, not much is happening. I got a lot of stuff going on, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and call the stream here. Just wanted to kind of hang out a little bit afterwards too, after making my money. So I'm glad I take money early, got my trade, didn't get too greedy. Happy with myself. So I made $1,000 in my other partner account, 600, so 1,600 on the day. I'm not gonna complain. But anyways, appreciate you tuning in, Dominic, keeping the chat, keeping it pretty entertaining for me as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and call it here, and I will see you. Probably gonna have to be next week before I stream again, maybe Monday. So have a good one. Appreciate you tuning in.